Hey guys, welcome to another product showcase video. Today's item is going to be from the Gelid Solutions company, and it is the Silent Spirit CPU cooler. Okay, first thing we're going to do is have a look at the box itself. Very nice packaging. See-through window where you can see the fins and stuff of the cooler. This was compatible with Intel 775, 1156, and 1366 mountings, and also with AMD 754, 939, 940, AM2, AM2 Plus, and AM3. So pretty much all of the modern socket styles. On the side of the box, it gives you a little bit more of a rundown of the different types of CPUs it's compatible with. All Pentium D, all Pentium 4, all Celeron D, Pentium dual cores and extremes, in Core 2 Extreme, Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Quad, as well as the various AMD ones, 64X2, Athlon 64, 64FX, Opratron, Semtron, Phenom up to 9850 BE. It also has a picture of the airflow concept. Interesting thing about these coolers is most of them have the fan on the top, and they're designed to pull air upwards away from it. This uses an angled heat pipe design that actually blows the air down. It can also pass the air over your MOSFETs and cool your other components on the board. In this picture they show what I believe to be a Northbridge heatsink blowing air over that also. So it's kind of a combination cooler. It's not just for the CPU, but can also be used to cool other components on the board. On the back gives some information about the unit itself, their heat pipe design, as well as specifications. Airflow is got a maximum of 45.8 CFMs, very nice airflow. It's a hydrodynamic bearing. Cable length on it is 250 millimeter. Cooling performance, thermal resistance is 0.17. Current is 0.23 amperage. Fan dimensions themselves are 100.5 millimeter, 100.5 millimeter by 45 millimeter. Fan speeds are 900 RPM to 2400 RPM. Heatsink dimensions are 108 by 97 by 88.5. Lifetime hours rated at 50,000 hours at 40 degrees Celsius. So that's a real long time for a cooler. I doubt anybody's going to have a computer, anywhere near 50,000 hours. Noise decibel is a respectable 10, all the way up to 25.8 when the fan's on high. So it gives us an overall dimension of 108 by 100.5 by 125. Static pressure 2.68. It's 12 volt DC. It's covered with their 5-year warranty, which is really nice, and it weighs in at 370 grams. On the side of the box, it gives you some information about the silent operation, high airflow, optimized fan blade design, unique fin architecture, intelligent PWM curve, which they actually show a little chart of down here. Rubber fan mounts, unique heatsink angle, and quad sinistered heat pipe design. So we're going to open this up and see what all comes with it. Okay, inside the package itself we have all of our instructions, installation manual on mounting your 1156 clips, a full set of instructions how to install it on a AMD CPU, as well as your Intel instructions on the other side. As far as I can tell, this looks like it's equipped right out of the box box for a Intel 775 processor, so if that's what you're using it on, you wouldn't have to switch anything. You should be able to just mount it. This, I believe, would be your Intel 1156 clips. These two mounts here would be for your AMD. They would mount on the side and lock down like a standard CPU cooler. It comes with a Gelid case badge, which is nice that they include that, as well as the cooler itself. The cooler does come with a pre-applied thermal paste on it, so you don't have to worry about buying any paste unless you want to do something different with it, but it does come right out of the box ready to install. It has a fairly long connection cable with a 4-pin connector, so you will be able to monitor it through software, through your BIOS, or whatever Windows app that you might want to use. Comes with a little protective cardboard piece here for shipping. Get a little better look at the heat pipe setup. It is actually a very nice setup. It runs into a copper base itself, so it's copper on copper with the preliminary kind of heat sink right on above the heat pipes themselves, and then the aluminum fan heat pipes, or fins I should say, in the heat pipes above with the fan itself. As you can see, it's kind of an interesting design, the way that they run it at an angle like that. If it's sitting on your motherboard, this is kind of sitting up, angling away, so you could adjust it whichever way you want on your board, depending on where you want that air to flow to. Like if your MOSFETs and stuff are on the behind the socket, you could mount it facing the rear, have the air blow down, cool your MOSFETs, and then go out your rear exhaust fan. Otherwise, if you have a top fan, you could certainly spin it this way, blow the heat downward on it, and then right up through the top of your case and exit it out the case that way. Very unique design. I haven't seen anything quite like this. I like the fact that it comes with the fan already mounted with the rubber mounts, has the mounting pins already attached to it, thermal paste on it. I mean, this is something that would take you, a minute to install on your computer. Usually when you get them, they come in pieces and you have to do a lot of messing around with it before you mount it. But with this setup, you could open up the box, take it out, pop it in your board, and go. It looks like a very nice product. Good specifications on it. It's actually fairly small in size compared to some of the big ones that we've been looking at lately. That were bigger than the case themselves, it would seem. So I kind of love the compact design of it. A really innovative way of cooling compared to all of the big tower coolers that we're seeing on the market right now. So it's actually a beautiful finish on it, beautiful looking product. I think it would really be an addition to anyone's case, and definitely a big step up from your stock cooling and your lower end coolings. So that's going to do it for this product showcase. If you have any questions on this product, let me know, leave a comment. I will certainly return your comments. We want to thank Gelid Solutions for providing this product for our showcase. Once again, this is the Silent Spirit CPU cooler. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for coolers. You definitely want to look into these. I would highly recommend it for anybody that's planning on doing a little overclocking, maybe want something a little quieter than stock, but having better cooling than stock. And with a low profile like that, it might even be a nice choice for a home theater PC. So anyway, that's going to do it, and thank you for watching.